In front of me is Motorola Moto G86, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by locating and opening Clock app. Now tap on Alarm at the bottom left corner and select those three dots at the top right one. Hit Settings in the pop-up and manage all of those under Alarms however you want to. When you finished, go back and to create new alarm, click on this plus at the bottom in the middle. Then set up an hour, and when you finished, hit OK in Select Time pop-up. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. Now to edit it, begin by clicking on Add Label at the top. Type in whatever you want to, and hit OK to save its new name. Tap on Days of the Week to set up your chosen ones, and to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to Pause Alarm. Pick your dates and hit OK at the bottom right corner. To remove them, use Remove button right next to them. Now, if you want to select sound of your alarm, use this icon of a bell. Click on one of those sound platforms like YouTube Music, or if you have it on your device, Spotify, and log in to use music from it, or select sounds. Click on Add New and click on any song from your smartphone. You can also just pick one of those melodies. Then click on this icon next to Vibrate to enable or disable haptic feedback on your device. And last but not least, to add it to your Google Assistant routine, click on this plus icon right next to it. Now to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner of your alarm. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on your alarm and change whatever you want to. To get rid of it, use the Delete button at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!